In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and tidy up your data by removing duplicates in Microsoft Excel. We'll explore a straightforward method to highlight duplicates first, so you can review them before taking the actual step of deletion. Excel is a powerful tool for data analysis, but dealing with duplicates can sometimes get a little tricky. By the end of this video, you'll know how to highlight potential duplicates for easier examination and then clean up your data using Excel's built-in features. Let's start by highlighting duplicates. This is especially useful if you just want to identify duplicates without deleting anything right away. First, open Excel and head to the Home tab. From there, you'll find a button labeled Conditional Formatting. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. Navigate over to Highlight Cells Rules, and in this list, you'll find the option Duplicate Values. Click on that, and Excel will instantly format any duplicate values within your selected range. This visual cue allows you to see exactly where your duplicates are, making it easier to decide your next steps. Now that you have a sense of what duplicates exist in your sheet, let's jump into how you can remove them using Excel's built-in tool. First, you'll want to select the range of cells where you think duplicates might be lurking. If your data is organized into a table, simply click on any cell within the table and Excel will automatically understand the scope of your selection. Next, head over to the Data tab at the top of your screen. In the Data Tools group, you'll see Remove Duplicates. Go ahead and click on that. When the Remove Duplicates dialog box opens, you'll notice a few options that are quite helpful. If your dataset has headers, make sure to check the box that says My Data has Headers. This way, Excel will know to exclude your headers from the duplication check. You'll also see a list of columns from your dataset. Here, you can decide which specific columns you'd like Excel to consider when identifying duplicates. Feel free to check or uncheck the columns as per your needs. Alternatively, you can click on Select All to include all columns or Unselect All if you wish to make more individualized choices. When you're ready, click OK, and Excel will go to work. The program will remove any duplicate rows while keeping the first occurrence in each case. After processing, you'll receive a quick summary of how many duplicate entries were removed. This feedback is handy for maintaining your data integrity. If you find yourself second-guessing the removal after the fact, don't worry, you can easily undo the action by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard, and the duplicates will be restored. All in all, managing duplicates in Excel doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these simple steps, you can efficiently clean your data and maintain accuracy. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy data cleaning.